चैप्टर 5 दोस्त की मदद। दोस्त की मदद। दोस्त meaning friend. Madad is help. This is a story of how a friend helps. किसी तालाब में एक कछुआ रहता था. कछुआ meaning tortoise. तालाब is a pond. In a pond there lived a tortoise. तालाब के पास मांद में रहने वाली एक लोमड़ी से उसकी दोस्ती हो गई. So the tortoise was friends with a fox. लोमड़ी meaning fox. Where did the fox live? तालाब के पास मांद में. मांद meaning den. So the fox lived in a den near the pond. एक दिन वे तालाब के किनारे गपशप कर रहे थे कि एक तेंदुआ वहाँ आया. So one day the fox and the tortoise was having a little chit chat. They were talking and having fun. Gupshup meaning chit chat near the pond. Then who came there? एक तेंदुआ. तेंदुआ meaning leopard. So leopard is a predator. It is a dangerous animal. Now what happened? दोनों अपने अपने घर की ओर जान बचाकर भागे. So seeing the leopard, the tortoise and fox ran for their lives. जान बचाकर भागे. They ran towards their home. लोमड़ी तो सरपट दौड़कर अपनी मांद में पहुंच गई. So the fox is a quick runner. It ran fast and reached the den. But what happened to the tortoise? We all know a tortoise moves very slowly. पर कछुआ अपनी धीमी चाल के कारण तालाब तक नहीं पहुंच सका. धीमी चाल meaning slow pace. So because of its slow pace, the tortoise could not reach the pond. तेंदुआ एक छलांग में उस तक पहुंच गया. छलांग meaning pounce or jump. So leopard is one of the fastest animals. It could reach the tortoise in 1 pounce. कछुए को कहीं छुपने का भी मौका ना मिला. मौका meaning chance. So the tortoise did not even get a chance to hide. छुपना means to hide. तेंदुए ने कछुए को मुंह में पकड़ा और उसे खाने के लिए एक पेड़ के नीचे चला गया. Now the leopard picked the tortoise in its mouth, carried the tortoise in its mouth and walked towards a tree. Leopard was planning to eat the tortoise under the tree. लेकिन दांतों और नाखूनों का पूरा जोर लगाने पर भी कछुए के सख्त खोल पर खरोंच तक नहीं आई. So now the leopard was having a problem. We all know a tortoise has a very hard shell. Sakht khol meaning hard shell. So when it is attacked, the tortoise retracts its head, arms and legs into the shell. So what will remain is just the hard shell. So the leopard was trying to break open the hard shell. It was using its teeth and nails, dande or nakhuni. So even after trying very hard with its teeth and nails, the leopard could not even make a scratch, kharonch meaning scratch, on the hard shell of the tortoise. लोमड़ी अपनी मान से एक देख रही थी. So the fox was watching all this from the den. उसने कछुए को बचाने की तरकीब सोची. So the fox was a very good friend. It wanted to save the tortoise and it came up with an idea. Tarkib meaning idea. So the fox had an idea to save the tortoise from the leopard. उसने मान से झांक कर बाहर देखा. It peeped out of its den. It just stuck its head out of the den. और भोलेपन के साथ बोली. And with much innocence. भोलेपन meaning innocence. And with much innocence said to the leopard. तेंदुए जी, कछुए के खोल को तोड़ने का मैं आसान तरीका बताती हूँ. So the fox told the leopard, "Oh leopard sir, I will tell you an easy way to break open the shell." तोड़ना means to break. आसान तरीका meaning easy way. इसे पानी में फेंक दो. Throw the tortoise in water. फेंकना means to throw. पानी is water. थोड़ी देर में पानी से इसका खोल नरम हो जाएगा. So the fox was telling the leopard, if you throw the tortoise in water, after some time the shell will become soft. चाहो तो आजमा कर देख लो. If you want, you can try and see for yourself. तेंदुए ने कहा, ठीक है, अभी देख लेता हूँ. So the leopard was not thinking straight here. We all know a tortoise lives in water. So if it is thrown in water, it can escape. But the foolish leopard said, okay, I will give it a try. ये कहकर उसने कछुए को पानी में फेंक दिया. So saying that, the leopard threw the tortoise in water. बस फिर क्या था? Now what happened? गया कछुआ पानी में. The tortoise escaped into the water. That's how the clever fox saved the tortoise.